Hey guys, I'm Leona Chin. You're hanging out with me, and I'm going out to check out a Mitsubishi Evolution 7 that I found on Muda.my app, and we're gonna check out the car and also most likely buy it. So let's get to it and buy the car. So here's the car that I'm planning to buy, and it's the Evolution 7. Hey guys, we are in the engine room where the engine is being rebuilt. This is my Mitsubishi Evolution 7 engine block. As you can see, it's all opened up because it just came back from balancing, and we have bought some aftermarket performance parts to soup up this engine block cars. It used to be for street car purpose, but now we're doing it for competition. So that's why we need to soup it up and make it more powerful. And these are aftermarket competition level forged piston kit. It has an 86 mm diameter, which complies with the race regulations. Also bought additional H-beam con rods to make more power when I'm revving the engine. Rah! For the cylinder head, my choice is the pond cams with aftermarket race engineered valve springs for more power at the high revs. What I have here is the super damper. It's for my engine. It improves torque and power. That's the most thing I need right now. Power! As you can see, this is the bottom part of the engine block. It just came back from balancing and machinery works. So now the next step is to measure the spaces for the race engine bearings, which is this thing. They'll be doing fitting to the crankshaft later on.
Okay, you hold.
We are now at Kuras Auto World doing the body works and spray as well. The body kit just arrived a few days ago and did the fitting.
race 1 and race 2, and we finished 3rd in the class. We Kenneth drove for race 1, and he did a very good race from quite far behind. He chased out until 13, chased out until 4. We had some mechanical issues earlier, but he managed to fix it up really fast just before the second race started. Very, very good. And now we finished 3rd in the second round. It was a very tough fight with Desmond Yik, car number 90, but we managed to get 3rd. Yeah, so thanks guys. See you in my next video. Tomorrow is Saga Cup. Bye bye.